In this video, we're guiding you through simple alphabet eye exercises designed to naturally improve eyesight and support healthy vision, perfect for seniors. As the name suggests, we'll trace the letters A to M with our eyes, gently working the eye muscles. These easy movements can help strengthen eye muscles, reduce eye strain, and promote sharper, clearer vision over time. Hi, I'm Lulu with Senior Insider. Let's get started. First, let's take some nice deep breaths. Close your eyes, relax them, and blink a few times. Roll your shoulders forward and backwards. You want to feel relaxed and peaceful while doing these eye exercises. Then, roll your head around and side to side to loosen up your neck some. That feels good. If you wear glasses, take them off before you begin. Do you wear contacts? It is generally considered safe to do eye exercises while wearing contact lenses. In fact, some say it can even improve comfort while wearing contacts by promoting healthy eye movement and lubrication. My left eye has had detached retina surgery and subsequently cataract surgery. It is not as pretty as the other eye, but it still sees pretty good. Now that we are warmed up a bit, let's take another deep breath and get started. Trace the uppercase A forward, then back the other way. You will do the main parts of each letter first, then the extra piece like the middle of the A. That was a great start. You may want to watch a few letters first to get the hang of it, and then rewind to start. Try to avoid moving your head, just move your eyes. You will get better with practice. Now let's do B. My head wants to move. Take a breath and relax. Next, we will do the letter C. And remember to blink often. C. Let's relax for a few seconds. How are you feeling? Is this something new to you? Have you had any eye surgeries in the past? Let us know in the comments below. D. Deep breath and blink. Now the letter E, our first long letter. You want to go slow and try to focus as you move your eyes around. If you notice that you are starting to feel lightheaded or dizzy, take a break or stop for the day. Just like working out the rest of your body, it can be fatiguing at first. Don't push it, just work up to doing more. F. I'm smiling because my head wants to move. Are you experiencing that as well? Make sure you're not tensing when doing the exercises. G. H. How are you feeling? If you need to take a rest, pause the video and then come back when ready. The more you practice, the longer you will be able to go. Don't forget, we are going forward, then backwards with the letters, then adding the little parts, forward and backwards. I. Let's close our eyes again and rest for a moment. J. These are the last 4 letters. It is quite a workout, isn't it? Feeling good. Last 3. K. There goes my head again. When doing these eye exercises correctly, it takes a long time to do a letter. Just doing 13 letters should take you around 12 to 13 minutes, with resting along the way. Just 2 more. Take another deep breath and relax your shoulders. They tend to get tense when doing these exercises. L. M. This is the last one. You did it. Great job. Try to do these eye exercises 3 to 4 times a week.